Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you don't have to. Today, we're pitting two high-flying contenders against each other in a drone duel, the TENSSENX GPS drone on the left and the Idea brushless motor drone on the right. Get ready for some sky-high action and a few laughs along the way. Let's dive in. Alright, let's start with the money talk. The TENSSENX GPS drone, coming in at $169, is like that fancy dinner date you've been saving up for. On the other hand, the Idea brushless motor drone, priced at a humble $89, is more like grabbing a burger and fries at your local diner. Both fill a need, but one will leave your wallet feeling a bit lighter. When it comes to capturing those breathtaking shots, both drones boast 4K cameras. The TENSSENX offers a 120 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable camera, perfect for getting that perfect Instagram shot. Reviewers love the high-quality images and user-friendly connectivity. Meanwhile, the Idea not only has a 4K camera, but also a Sony sensor that screams, "I know what I'm doing." It's like comparing a professional photographer to your friend who just got a new camera. The Idea also throws in a bottom camera for some extra flair, though some users reported issues with scratches on the lens. Now, let's talk about how these bad boys handle the skies. The TENSSENX is like your grandma's trusty old car that just won't quit. It has GPS auto return, optical flow, altitude hold, and headless mode, making it a breeze for beginners. Plus, with 52 minutes of flight time across 2 batteries, it's like a marathon runner that never gets tired. Reviewers appreciate its ease of use and reliability. But wait, the Idea is no slouch either. With brushless motors that can last up to 10,000 hours and a top speed of 40 kilometers per hour, it's like the sports car of drones. It's got obstacle avoidance, headless mode, and even a VR function for those who want to feel like they're in a sci-fi movie. However, it only offers 20 minutes of flight time, which is more like a sprint than a marathon. Some users found it difficult to control and were frustrated with its battery life. Both drones come with carrying cases and foldable designs, making them perfect travel companions. The TENSSENX is under 250 grams, so you can skip the whole FAA registration hassle. It's like getting a free pass at the airport. The Idea, on the other hand, also skips the FAA registration, but adds a bit more bulk with those powerful motors. It's like carrying a slightly heavier but super reliable backpack. Reviewers found both drones easy to carry and set up, though some mentioned minor issues with the Idea's durability. When it comes to brain power, both drones are pretty smart. The TENSSENX can follow you, fly along a set path, or circle around a point. It's like having a loyal pet that does tricks. Reviewers praised its intelligent functions and ease of use. The Idea, however, takes it up a notch with 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, indoor visual positioning, and gesture control. It's like having a pet that can also do your taxes. Some users, however, reported issues with the obstacle avoidance feature and found it less reliable indoors. Overall, reviewers find the TENSSENX GPS drone to be a reliable and user-friendly option, especially for beginners. It offers great camera quality, intelligent features, and impressive flight time. On the other hand, the Idea brushless motor drone is praised for its advanced features and speed, though it has some mixed reviews regarding durability and ease of control. So smart buyers, which drone will you choose to take to the skies? The trusty and feature-packed TENSSENX GPS drone, or the speedy and obstacle-savvy Idea brushless motor drone? Drop your choice in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to Buy Smart for more entertaining and informative product battles. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.